So suppose we have A and it is a string, okay, something, it is a string, and in B we are having a string, and in C I am printing A plus B. Okay, let's see. If I have A, suppose I'm taking some name, suppose Deepika, okay, and in B we have Rajput, okay, okay, and I want to print A plus B. Sorry, what's happening? And I'm just printing C. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, can anyone guess what will be the result by like seeing here? I'm just adding two string. Okay, it's not two integer. I'm adding two string. Let's see. Hmm. Deepika Rajput. Yeah, see, Deepika Rajput. Okay, and here I have what? No space. Okay, because they are added. If I want to add some spaces, I can do this also, right? Can I do this also? I will use D and then a space, and I will use, like, you can do anything. Okay, just try to be curious. I never did this. I'm just trying to do. Okay, and see, it gives spaces. Okay, we can do this also. Great. So let's talk about input. Okay, there is a function for input. Deepika is also a good friend. So where input. Okay, for input we use a function input. Okay, let's see, input and this. Okay, bracket open, bracket close. That's it. If I do like this, A equal to input. Okay, you will see it stopped and it's asking me for some input. Suppose I give 5. Okay, and then I type enter. It's not doing anything. It takes input but didn't do anything. Why? Can like anyone say why it's not doing anything? It's taking input but it's not displaying here. Why? Anything missing here? What should I do to like display here? It's taking input 5 but it's not showing as 5. Yeah, you can do this. Clear? Okay, simple. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are taking A as an input. Okay, but we are not printing it. Okay, we are taking input but we are not printing it. You guys know, for printing we have to use print A. Okay, let's see this. If I do A equal to whatever 5, it's showing me 5. Okay, if I give 65, it will print 65. Okay, till now any doubts? in this whatever I have taught till now? Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? So I told you that there are types of, you know, data types. Suppose A equal to 14, okay, and B equal to some ABC, C equal to 1.4, okay. Now I want to see what is the data type of A, okay. What is this A? What can I do is there is some function type, type, type for what? To sing data type, okay. If I do type A, okay, will it show me the data type? That's it. It's asking, let's make it comment it out, okay. I will tell how to comment, okay, don't worry. Okay. So it executed, but it's not giving us any value. It executed this only, okay, from A. I am asking about type A, but it's not giving me the types. Why? It's executing, but it's not giving me the value. What is missing again, guys? I want this type to print here. What should I use? There is a mistake here. Like sixth line, there is a mistake. What should I use? Any guesses? Hmm. Correct. Correct. If I type print, okay, print like this, okay, what I have to do, just see, I'm printing something. For printing, I have to do this, right? Open parenthesis and close parenthesis. In printing this, what I have to print? That function type, and then I have to open and close parenthesis. What type? A, okay. And let's see for all, okay. I'm too lazy, okay. I'm just copy and pasting. B, C, okay. Let's see. So first is int, okay. Second is string, and third is float, okay. And now, as we have discussed, d equal to, let's again let's see how many still have confusion. What should be the print d type? Just write in chat. D, type of D. What is data type of D? So let's see by practical. It's saying string, str for string, okay. So this much is clear, okay. Okay, so we'll know more thing, okay. I want to add, okay, so what is called this comments, okay. Comments is something which we want compiler to ignore, okay. Comments, see, if someone comments, you just ignore, okay, just do your own way. Comments is compiler what? Ignore, okay. We want compiler to ignore, okay. How can I write this comment? at the line, starting line, I can use a step. Okay. If I do this, okay, the whole line will not, compiler will skip this line, okay, and just back to the other line. Okay, I can do this. And I can use one more thing. If I do triple quote, okay, like this, okay, it will comment the whole things, okay, whatever it is, a multi-line comments, okay, 3, okay, line, and 3, okay, it will comment all the thing, okay, we call it multi-line comment. And if someone asks you, like, what is the use of this multi-line comment if I have this, okay, let me tell you. Suppose, okay, you are writing a program, okay, you are a developer, you guys are developer, okay, so suppose you write like something, some a plus b, okay, wait, you take a, okay, you take b, and then you are doing this, and then you want a minus b. And suppose, we erase this, make it more easy. C, C something, D something, okay. E equal to C plus, sorry, C minus D. Okay. Here, what we are doing, subtraction. And here, I am seeing addition. Suppose I have this much code, okay. And I want only subtraction. What can I do? This, okay. We can, lines of comments, okay, we can lines of command, we can use it a comment, okay, just comment it out, okay, ignore this whole line and just run this rest of it, okay. Let's see if I use, okay, here, okay, print something. Let's see it doesn't did anything, okay, it didn't did anything, okay. So if I do a equal to whatever, okay, I know it will give error, okay, 3 comments and then 3 comments. Inside this, I can write anything, okay, whatever. It will not give error because compiler is not reading it, okay. Whenever compiler see this, okay, it will ignore, okay. So let's make a program for our addition. I can write like this, first addition program, okay. A equal to int input, okay, input, okay, and then b equal to input, okay, c equal to a plus b, okay. I can do also like this will also work. Let's see, print c, and even I can do also this also, print a plus b. I can directly add also. This is why this is to storage. If I want to use c anywhere else, so I can use that also, okay. This is, I'm storing this result in c, okay. Let's run this, okay. It's asking me for what input, okay. Let's give 5. Now again it's asking for input, give 4. See, it print 54. Oh my god, why it print me 54? So a fact is, whatever you give, Okay, in input. Always remember, guys, like people used to do small mistakes. So that's why whenever you use input, okay, and whatever you give, no matter what, like integer, float, okay, it is a string. Okay, it is a string. Let's see this. Okay, like if I am using inputs and I'm giving anything, okay, here I'm giving input as a 5, and it will consider 5 as a string. How? Like if like someone will say like I don't believe you, it's like here we are not using even quotes, but still it's giving us like string. Okay, so I will use print type and C. Okay, okay, let's give again same. Okay, can anyone see the class value? Okay, the data type is string. Okay, the type of this is what? String. Correct, it is a string. Now I want to add here, but it's just adding in string. I want to add as an integer. What can I do? I will use something int, okay, input. What does this mean? Take only integer as input, okay, and it will, consider input as an integer. Okay, let's see this. If I use here int, sorry, okay, and here also int, open bracket, parenthesis, sorry, open parenthesis and closing parenthesis. Okay, let's see from 54 to what it give now. It is giving me 9, and the type of class is what? String, sorry, integer. Okay, now it is integer. Okay, this is what we are taking, integer. Okay, so suppose like some child is, okay, suppose I'm a child, I don't know use of calculator, okay, and I give a b c d as a input and I want to add it. Okay, see what will happen. I a b, oh my god, it's saying it should be integer because I am asking integer only. Okay, it should be integer, then only it will work, because it is that I am asking about integer. Okay, and if I want only string, okay, only string, I don't want any integer, what can I do here? What should be the keyword here? Instead of integer, int, what should I use for string? Any guesses? My KitKat is melting. Okay, correct. So give me a second, guys. Let me finish my KitKat first. Okay. Oh my god, I love my KitKat. Okay. So I can use string. Okay. Here also I can use string. Let's see. And I'm giving suppose 50. It is adding as a string. Okay. We have seen this is how this is adding in Deepika Rajput case. Okay. If I want space, I can use this also. I can do this also, right? For spaces. It's okay. I have to give space now. Great. Okay. So now you guys just tell me write the code for subtraction. Okay, I want input and a subtraction formula. Okay, what code should I write for subtraction? Just take example and write a code in chat. Okay, subtraction. I want a code for subtraction. Okay, and you guys will help me. Okay, I don't know anything. Okay, write a code for subtraction. Take input. Okay, take two input and give output as subtraction. Give output same code. Okay, and here we are adding and you have to subtract. Let's see how many of you are getting it. Okay, just write the code in chat. Okay, subtraction. Correct. Correct. So till now Palak is correct, totally correct. Palak is getting things. Okay. So guys, are you awake? Okay. So let's see. Let me give some other name. Okay. Because I have already used this AB name here. So it will be a conflict. I will override this. So I will take XYZ. Okay. Sorry. It's in. No, another, we have to take input. Now we have to take input from the user. Okay. Otherwise, it will be useless for us. A equal to int input. Okay. See if anyone, sorry, okay, in your X now, anyone is getting, facing any problem, just let me know. Because if you don't ask any doubt, how will I get to know and how will I solve your doubts? Okay. Z is what? X plus Y. Even I can directly print it that also. Okay. Sorry, minus no. We are subtracting. Okay. It's 3, 5. What it is giving me? Okay, sorry. I forget to see to comment it out. That's why it's happens. Let me comment it out. There is one shortcut, like if you select this whole shift and upper button, whole thing, and then control slash, there is an option slash, it will comment all the things, okay, in just one click. Okay, let's see. What it is? Okay, 3, 5. Sorry guys. So it is showing me -2, correct? Now you guys can take 3 input also, right? You can multiply it also, you can divide it also. Okay. So your homework will be to write a program for multiply. Okay. take input. Take input, okay, from user. Two input, okay, two input from user and multiply it, okay, and print result. Okay, result. And one more thing, three input sum, okay. This you have to, this is your homework, okay. Just practice these two things and you can do more steps, okay, by just using this simple method. How can I make this more beautiful? Sorry guys, I have this cough. How can I make this more beautiful? Okay, if I am asking for input, okay, I can write like this. I can print key for beautiful, okay, to make my program more beautiful. Please enter your first number. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put T. That's why it's there. First number. And for this second number, correct? See now how beautiful your program will be, okay? And now I can use this print. I can use let's just see, okay, what impact it does. How beautiful. See now, okay, zoom it in, okay, for you guys. Let me zoom. I guess this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let me scroll it up. Okay. So it's asking me, please enter your first word. Okay, beautifully. I know what I have to do, 5. And now it's asking, please enter your second number. Okay, great. And it's saying the result of subtraction is 1. See how different it is. Like, here I'm just thinking, okay, 3, 5, no input, no output, okay, no print, just writing whatever. Okay, this is not like beautiful. Okay, this is how I can make my program beautiful. You can try these stuffs. Okay, so is there any doubt till the topic we have covered? Any doubt in any topic? Great. So I guess there is no doubt. So I'm ending this meeting. Okay, have a great day, guys.